Ever wondered what $3 million gets you in Nanaimo for a home? Well, I'm Rob Freeman with Stonehaus Realty, and I'm gonna show you today. Come join me on the tour. This is a 5,300 square foot home, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. Oh, and did I mention the amazing view? I was curious, so I looked it up before we came here today. Only 10 homes in the past 3 years have sold in Nanaimo for over $2.75 million. And I'm gonna show you one of those today. Once you've come in through the entryway, the current owners have installed a high efficiency wood stove, so the place is super cozy. You enter right into the great room or one of the living areas. 16-foot vaulted ceilings here, 11-foot ceilings throughout the rest of the house. Besides the high efficiency wood stove, it also has a huge wood fireplace here and another one outside. You'd expect nothing less from a $3 million home than a stunning chef's kitchen. You've got stainless steel, KitchenAid appliances, double wall ovens, dishwasher, induction cooktop, microwave, tons of storage all throughout. Everything you'd want to cook amazing meals in your gourmet kitchen. Obviously, you have your gigantic quartz island, bar-style seating, and a designated dining room as well. Here you've got the walk-in Butler's pantry, so all your appliances and everything is off of your counters in the main kitchen, out of sight for easy storage. One of the current owners is an avid seamstress, so they've turned this room into a designated sewing room, complete with ample custom storage. Got a nice bright laundry room, complete with Whirlpool appliances and a sink. So besides the driveway parking, you have a huge 3-car heated garage, nice high ceilings. The home came with 50 solar panels. They've installed 30 more, so this is kind of the nerve center. These Tesla charging panels, we have 4 here, so you're set. This home also has its own fully self-contained legal 2-bedroom suite, 2 bathrooms also. Perfect for visiting family, visiting friends, or you could run it as an Airbnb if you wish. The high ceilings continue throughout the suite, just like the rest of the main home. Many suites are a little bit on the darker side. This is super bright and still has one of the best views in Nanaimo, front and back of the house. So here in the primary bedroom, imagine this stunning view outside. You've got the warmth of a propane fireplace right in your bedroom and one of the most amazing en-suites and walk-in closets you're ever gonna see. Follow me. You've got heated bench in your shower, heated tile in this bathroom and all the bathrooms in the house, deep soaker tub, separate toilet area, double vanities. And if you walk into your walk-in closet, the lights come on for you. Isn't her sides, or maybe just her, or maybe just his, depending on who the clothes horse is. This house was actually built by an engineer, and the current owner is also an engineer. The tech in this house is off the charts. You've got everything from motorized blinds, full Sonos sound throughout the home, customizable thermostats. You can run the pool from your phone. I won't get too much into it, but just anything you think you could do here, you can probably do. This is the amazing view from the 2nd bedroom on the main floor. Let's check out the downstairs. Downstairs, you have your second living area / rec area. There's also a little office nook to the right. It also has its own bathroom, 3-piece, complete with shower. You've got the pool table, the stunning views continue, wet bar, and I'm going to show you my all-time favorite quote-unquote crawl space. So most crawl spaces are usually dark, dingy, wet, kind of gross. This one is fully cement throughout. It's 5 feet high. I can't quite stand up, but compared to the usual 3-foot crawls, it's really nice. It spans almost the whole house, so there's tons and tons of storage down here. This home's on a well, and one of the nice parts about the crawl space is you have easy access to all the different softeners and filters that you'd ever need to work on. There's no question this home was extremely well built, but what really set it apart for us was the view and the outdoor entertaining area. Come check this out. When you exit onto the patio, 180-degree view ranging from Mount Benson all the way over to Departure Bay. You've got a 10-person comfortable hot tub, outdoor shower area, infinity pool, with waterfall, heated motorized cover, entertaining area with the wood burning fireplace I mentioned, TV, misters, heaters, Sonos sound, outdoor, custom kitchen with wood-fired pizza oven, all stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a sink, barbecue, everything you need to host a great party. Did I mention the view? This way, you've got a channel right down to where you can see the ferries coming in and out at nighttime. This is absolutely stunning as well. You've got eagles flying by, hawks, absolutely breathtaking. Like I said, if this isn't the best view I've ever seen for any home I've showed, top 3 for sure. The other thing up here, you've got 5 acres basically at the top of a mountain. It is extremely private, extremely quiet. It is so peaceful up here, outstanding. In fact, this entire panel system opens up easily so you can have it cool, warm, entertain as you wish. One of the coolest features about this home, and I've literally never seen it on any other home, as I mentioned, my current owner is an engineer and is very proactive. They've actually installed a fire suppression system, both on the railings around it, up on the top, other side of the home, and back here to help with insurance. Being in an area where wildfires are an issue, they just wanted to take a couple of extra steps to avoid losing this beautiful home. My clients were very picky in a good way. I worked with them for a few years before we found this amazing house, the one. So big thanks to them today for letting us showcase their beautiful home. If you would like to buy a home like this, I would be honored to be your agent and help you find one, no matter how long it takes. And if you have a home like this that you'd like me to help sell for you, I'd be happy to do that also. I've been Rob Freeman with Stonehaus Realty. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe below for more content just like this. Appreciate your time. We'll see you at the next one.